Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about a case study called Smart Campus Integration. Okay. So as you are all studying in this semester full stack web development, right? So you all know what is HTML, CSS, and then jQuery, JavaScript, responsive web design, and single page web application like React.js, Flutter, Figma. So these are all the topics we have covered still now, right? So now we are going to discuss a case. So in which a university which has a manual entry of attendance, and then manual announcements in notice boards, and then for different services they are using different devices or different platforms. Okay. So can you suggest? So by studying all these topics, so now can you suggest a smart campus integration automated system by using HTML, CSS, and then responsive web design, Flutter, Figma. So can you take a role and you can suggest what can be done for a betterment of a smart campus management system?
Myself Kasmin, my role UI structure design. UI structure design means menus, buttons and screens arranged are the website or the applications. One content to many buttons are the confusion users. UI structure user understand and easy the app. Example, social media apps like shares and buttons.
Now you are using menus and logos that can be structured, so which can be which can be a reusable component also, right?
I'm Kirti. My role is styling and layout engineering. As per my role, my responsibility is to prepare a modern, clean and user-friendly interface which can be properly visualized in an application using CSS and CSS3. My contributions are like preparing a modern-based UI designs using proper layouts and spacing effects, and also which should be very user-friendly and readable for the users with proper fonts and contrast coloring which attracts the user. And as per the CSS3 features, I'm using here the Flexbox script, which is well structured layouts for the application, and also hover effects, which is also visual engaging property, and which results in professional and clean and modern appealing interface.
Myself Jitesh, my role is logical and interaction developer. In this project, the JavaScript, the main core is scripting language. This helps in the web application. This mainly used in for a logical user to quick identify and quick response. In this we use form validation. In this form validation, we enter username correctly or not. We will check instantly within the user itself. It is more faster. And another one is dynamic content. Dynamic content is, for example, if you are registered student attendance in online, if the students is entered the attendance, if they click the button, the attendance will be marked without reloading the page.
Myself Jordan Nelson. I am a DOM manipulation specialist, and basically DOM is a tree file structure. We use the element to arrange like a tree in JavaScript, so it helps us to understand the code more easily and more understandable with it. And I'm used one technique like jQuery. jQuery is a technique which help the code to minimize the content. Because we use JavaScript that makes more complex and more uncomfortable to read and run the program. So when we use a jQuery, it provides the code more shortly and clearly, which helps us to create more programs and more solutions. So by using a jQueries in the DOM, when the user interact with the element, we can control the element. When the user click the menu button or the user go to menu search or the navigation button. By the action we control and make the action smooth, and we provide animation smoothly. So this is our job to help the customer to provide the techniques more smoothly.
So myself, V. Krishnaraja, my role is a responsive design engineer. My responsibility is to take that the designed web application should be easily work on every devices like laptops, mobile phone and tablets. So even staffs, students may use this web application in many devices. When we open in many devices, the size of the device will be changes according to it. So my role here is I have used CSS and I have declared the max with as 768 pixels. So which means it is less than the laptop and the mobile size, which is easily usable in all devices. It doesn't make any lag in it. And along with it, I have used a dashboard, which means we can scroll the website in horizontal way. So here we can scroll the website in a horizontal way, which is easier for the user, and it doesn't disturb the web application. Once it is designed, there is nothing to change on.
I'm Kavipriya, and my role is single page application developer. I'm a SPA developer by using React.js for having faster navigation and smooth navigation. Also, the code reusability I have implemented code reusability also. Like React features such as components used for functional works, and state management for controlling each and every state of the application in each and every devices like mobile phones, laptops, and JSX for proper syntax. These are the contribution I have done in this.
I'm Kavya. My role is UI and UX designer in this project. I designed wireframes and prototype that shape the look and application feel, and I created a login page, attendance page, and dashboard that helps user to easy navigations. Here I worked in Flutter that will help to create a project flow before development.
My role is a mobile app developer. I'm creating a basic UI for the application of Smart Campus using Flutter. Flutter is something like Google open source toolkit, which is helpful for natively compiled and beautiful and fast application for apps using all the embedded systems like mobile phone, laptop, and desktop. And Flutter is mainly concentrating on the Dart programming language. My contribution in the Smart Campus application is that implementing text and widgets like all the buttons like submit, next, and everything. And one of the major thing for a mobile app developer is creating the application across the platform supports.
So, thank you students for your valuable inputs. I think each and every role is important for creating an integrated website like this. So, for example, the UI and UX, so this is what we actually see. So, that should be structured properly, and we have to fix a wireframe, or we have to develop a prototype which can be reused throughout the website. And then visually it should be like the entire website should look same. And then after that, your responsive web design also plays a major role here, because we all use different devices for opening your web page. So the screen size may differ, so that if we design once, and it should be implemented, or it should be viewed as same in all the devices. And jQuery, jQuery is a very rich JavaScript library, so that the lines of code will be completely less when compared to the JavaScript, so that it can be easily implemented, and it can be and the performance will be very fast when compared to JavaScript. Okay, thank you.